Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Doogee S95, a rugged and waterproof smartphone from Banggood for £224 at the moment, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. If you want the Pro version, you get 8 gigs of RAM with that. So this is what you get in the box. You get the phone, SIM tray ejector tool, a screen protector, user manual, a charging block and USB Type-C charging cable. We take a closer look at the Doogee S9 itself. It is a unit, and I've just accidentally turned it on. It comes with a screen protector. Let's peel the film off there. We go around the back, take a look at that. Apparently it's built to military standard as well, the device. Fully waterproof, rugged. You can see the contacts there at the bottom there. You can buy an additional modular connection at the back, so it's like a battery backup. So it's a modular battery and it's 3,500 milliamps. This already has 5,150 milliamps within anyway, so you should get plenty of battery life from there. There's also a speaker grill there, and I believe there as well, with the microphone built in there. We have a triple camera setup with a flashlight. At the bottom, USB Type-C. This is the flap, so obviously this is going to keep the waterproof in there, the waterproof rating. Alongside here, fingerprint sensor, power and volume rocker. Also another flap there for SIM card. This button here is an optional button. You can set this to do certain tasks. And at the top there we have TF card and SIM card tray. At the top, a microphone. Let's take a closer look around the device. I think in terms of build quality, it's very, very good. It does feel nice in the hand, and it doesn't feel as heavy and thick as other rugged devices I've used in the past. I will be doing a drop test on this very soon. Let me get this phone set up and I'll be back. So here she is. She has a 6.3 inch 2160 by 1080p IPS panel. So this is not the Pro version, so it's got 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, powered by the Helio P90 CPU, octa-core processor, and has the Mali G72 graphical chip as well. I think the display looks really crisp and sharp, and viewing angles are very good as well. Very pleased with that. Obviously it's got their own sort of look and feel to the icons. Tool bag, which you always get with these rugged smartphones. They have a compass on there, sound meter, height measure, barometer, magnifier. We've got game mode, videos, music. I've even got a face unlock button as well, so it goes straight into face unlock if you want to enable that. I've enabled the fingerprint sensor, which is positioned there. Let's try that. It's responsive. Could be a little bit quicker. It's a little bit awkward as well, where it's positioned down there below the power button. Having to bring my thumb down there. It's going to ache my thumb a little bit, I think. It would have been better built into the power button like other devices I've seen. But it works nonetheless. Pull down the top and it seems to be in some sort of dark mode. We have GPS on. There's NFC capabilities as well, so you can use Google Pay. You have cast, so you can cast the phone to a TV, smart TV. Screen record option there as well. Pop into the settings. And we have the side key function. That one there, the custom one. You can have one click and screenshot. So that's what I'm going to set that to. So if I go, oh, but you've still got to click OK to complete the save. That's a bit annoying. Navigation bar, you can enable gestures if you wish, but I still like the virtual key navigation rather than the gestures. So it seems nippy and quick on the P90 chip. I will test the camera and video in a moment. Go back to settings again quickly. SOS call as well, like on many rugged devices. System updates. Checking. So we're fully up to date. And we're on Android 9. Be nice to see Android 10 if possible. So the S95 has a triple camera setup. We have a main 48 megapixel lens, an 8 megapixel super depth lens, and an 8 megapixel wide angle, accompanied with the flashlight there in the bottom left. And the front camera is a 16 megapixel 80 degree wide camera. Quick look at the camera interface there. We have photo, video mode, beauty, face cute. It can do some weird stuff to your face. Bokeh mode, and there's a night mode as well. Now you can shoot up to 4K on this device. It's set to 4K there at the moment. There are other settings you can click into there. A little bit more detail. Video quality is set to high as well. Doesn't seem to be any settings for image stabilization. So this is the standard photo mode, 48 megapixel on the S95. I think it's done a tremendous job. Color accuracy is really good. Really sharp detail as well. Very impressed with that. So this is the bokeh mode setting, and this is set to f1.0, which is the lowest setting, but it should achieve a much stronger depth of field. And it struggled to focus on some of the object, even on a few different angles I tried. It did struggle quite a bit, but I changed the setting to f4.0, and on this shot here, it's much better. There's a slight bit of blur at the bottom though. Switch over to the 16 megapixel selfie camera, and I think the quality isn't too bad on there either. Zoom in a little bit, you do get a little bit of graininess in there and loss of quality, but I think overall the picture quality isn't too bad. Portrait mode on the front facing camera, again quality is decent, and there's a nice subtle blur in the background. Bits of my hair at the top has sort of been blurred very slightly, but because of my messy hairstyle, it can be a little bit difficult for some cameras to get that accurate, but I think it's done a decent job there. Okay, so this is 1080p on the S95. Doesn't seem to be any sort of stabilization there. Move around pretty fast. Autofocus, good. That seems good. Let me know what you guys think. In terms of quality, obviously I can't hear what the microphone's like at the moment, the sound quality. Shift it there. Okay. Oh, okay, it doesn't look too bad. So front facing video, you have 720p and 480p. This is the 720p setting. Color accuracy looks fine. Quality looks okay for the device. No stabilization, I don't think, as such. I don't know what sound quality is like. It's not really focusing on the camera, it's still focused on my face. Let me know what you guys think. Let's have a quick look at the display and some video. So here we have it, guys. This is 2160 by 1080p, and that looks really crisp and nice. I don't think I can pinch zoom. That's optimum settings. That looks gorgeous, it really does. Wow, that looks superb. Lovely. Let's have a look at these speakers. Here we go. Yeah, so it's coming out both them holes. Beautiful. There's some volume in those speakers, absolutely. So they're definitely firing out both of them holes there, which is good. And the actual sound quality wasn't too bad either, you know. I've definitely heard worse on some other rugged devices. Very loud and powerful. So that's the quick unboxing and a quick look at the S95. There is another test I'm going to be doing in a moment. It's a well-built device, feels very rugged and solid, absolutely. Not too keen on the fingerprint sensor being mounted there. It's a little bit awkward for me anyway. I think the display looks great. It seems to be nippy as well. Haven't experienced any sort of lag or sluggishness at all. Overall camera quality was pretty good, although bokeh effect did struggle at some points. But yeah, at the moment, it's looking pretty promising. Now, drop test. Okay, I'm going to now drop this out of the window. See you later, mate. Move, cat. Move out of the way. Out of the way. Cat was in the way. So the phone survived that drop, and it's got a few little scuff marks on the corner there. That's probably the worst corner actually, but the display is intact. Camera housing is intact as well. A little bit down there. It's good. But now I'm going to drop it into a bucket of water, and hopefully I get the aim right. I'm going to drop it in this water. From up there. Bucket of water. You should see it down below. Hopefully I can aim it. So it survived both the drop and the drop in the water. It was quite a strong hit when it hit the bucket. Only just managed to get it in there and it bounced straight out. But as you can see, it's still a little bit wet on there. But everything seems to be working fine. No cracks. Everything's looking good. Yeah, lock. Unlock, yeah. Good stuff, guys. Screen is absolutely intact. So's the frame. It's just the corners, really. So that passed the rugged test for now. If you want to take a further look at this, guys, there are links in the description below. If you have any questions, then please pop them down below as well. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.